Hello again all. A quick update on the newest addition to the art studio. This was a LED light panel I made around 30 years ago as part of a LED lighting course my wife and I attended when we were in our early 20s. The panel has been in storage for all those 30 years just waiting for a new home. Surprisingly, when I created the window opening in the wall, I had intended just to use plain glass. Recently, I was about to order a piece of glass and remembered I had the LED light panel and decided to try my luck and check it out for size, thinking there was absolute Buckley's chance it would fit. Well, what do you know? It fit perfectly, with the opening needing only a 6mm trim piece to the top and bottom. I think that was a sign from above, and I spent yesterday installing it and touching up the trim painting. It makes a wonderful, colourful addition to the room, and hopefully gives me some inspiration for my art. Have a great day all, and bye for now.